Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful bracelet. This is made only out of seed bead and it's made with the so-called daisy chain stitch. Here I made different samples to see how it looks in different colors, and believe it or not, these earrings are made with the same daisy chain stitch pattern, and I showed you in my last video how I'm making them. And believe it or not, these earrings are made with the same daisy chain stitch. So see what you could do by using different colors and different beads with this daisy chain pattern that I will be showing you here. If you want to support me and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming videos. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also support me by commenting and liking and sharing my videos, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that have any questions in the comments. So now I'm going to start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are two colors of seed beads, and I'm using here lobster's claw clasp and the jump ring. You could use any type of clasp that you want, and I'm using here nymo beading thread that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 in millimeters. You could use other beading thread of your choice. I'm using size 10 beading needle. Here are different other patterns that you could do with this stitch, this daisy chain stitch that I'm going to show you, and I'm using scissors. And these flat nose pliers are not obligatory, they are only if you can't go through your beads. So now I'm going to start by taking a comfortable length of thread on my needle, and later I will show you how to add more thread, and I'm going to start. Okay, and I took a comfortable length of thread, and now I'm going to take 8 of these beautiful yellow seed beads. Okay, and I have my 8 here, and I'm going to slide them down, and I will stick my needle in my mat here, and I'm going to make a knot. Okay, I'm making a loop, and I'm going once, and I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and then I'm going to pull, and when I pull I have this. Now I will go through some beads here in this direction, okay, just like that, and I'm going to take 7 of these beautiful red beads. Okay, and I have my 7 here, and now my thread is exiting out of this yellow bead, and I will go back through it in circle, and this way I'm forming a circle of 8 beads. If you count the yellow one, they are 8. And now I will go through the next yellow, and this time I will take only 5 seed beads. And this is the same daisy chain pattern that I showed you in my previous videos. Okay, I'm taking 5 seed beads, and as I'm exiting from this yellow, I'm going back through these 2 beads, and this way again I have 7 like I took in my previous step, but 2 are from my previous circle, and then the 8th one is that yellow here. Okay, then I'm going through the next yellow, taking again 5, okay, and going through these 2 and through the yellow one, forming again a circle of 8. And anytime you should form a circle of 8. And I'm going to continue this until the end of my circle. Okay guys, and now I'm here where I should close my circle. And in order to do this, I'm going through my next yellow like I did until now. And now I should close my flower here. So I'm going through these 2 beads and I need 7 red beads. Okay, here I have 2, then I will add 3, and it makes 5, and then I'm going through the last 2. And this way I'm making a circle of 7 red and 1 yellow like I had everywhere. Now you could go reinforcing these circles and make them stay in a better shape, or if you use monofilament probably won't have this problem. And I will do this and I will show you in a while how to attach your clasp. Okay, and I went reinforcing some of my petals here that I felt loose, and now I'm going to show you how to attach your clasp, okay? And in order to do this, I'm taking 2 seed beads, then I'm taking my clasp, I'm sliding it down, and I'm taking 2 more seed beads, and as I'm exiting from this red bead here, I'm going back in circle through the same red one, and I'm pulling, then I'm going through 2 beads and my clasp, and through 2 more beads and this first one, and then again through all of those beads here. And here I'm using my pliers to help going through some beads. And now guys, I will go at the other part of my flower and I will show you how to continue your work, okay? Okay, and now I'm here and I will show you how to make this element but the other way around. So I will take 3 seed beads, then 1 yellow, then again 3 red beads. Okay, and I have this and my thread is going out of this bead and I will go back in circle. Then I will go through the next 3 beads. Okay, and I'm exiting out of this yellow, and now I need 7 yellow beads, and I'm going through this 8th one. Okay, and now I have this starting point and I will continue adding more and more petals. So I'm going through my next yellow bead, and here I have the same thing that I had here. I have 7 red beads, one is from my previous flower, and I have 1 yellow here, and I will take 5 beads and I will go through these 2 from my previous petal. Then I will go through my next yellow and I will do the same thing. Okay, and when I'm up to here, I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay, and I'm here where I'm in a position to close my flower. So I'm going through these 2 beads and I will take 3 more seed beads. Okay, and then I will go through 2 and then I have 2, 3, 2, which makes 7, and I'm going through the 8th one. And this is my next flower. Okay guys, and now my thread is almost over. I won't have enough thread for another element. That is why I'm going to cut it and I will add a new one. So now I'm making a loop and I'm going once, then I'm going a second time through the loop I've made and I'm pulling. Then I could repeat this several more times. After that I'm going through my next seed bead. Okay, and then I'm going to cut my thread. And I will show you in a while how to add a new thread. Okay guys, and now I have new much longer thread on my needle. Take a comfortable length, whatever you like. And now I'm going to go through some beads here with my new thread. I'm leaving a small tail and here I want to make a knot, and I will make a knot by going between 2 beads, making a loop and going once, then going second time through the loop I've made, making this way surgeon's knot, and I'm pulling. Then I will go through my next bead and I could make several more knots the same way. And after I'm ready, I will go here and cut my thread. And here guys, I'm in a position to continue my bracelet, and when I make enough elements to wrap it around my wrist, I will be back to show you how I'm finishing it. Okay guys, and the same way, by adding a new thread and making more and more elements, I made my bracelet, and now it's time to finish it. And in order to finish it, I will take 5 seed beads and I will take my jump ring here, just like that, and I will go back through this first seed bead and I will make this way a circle of 6. Now what I do here is reinforce this part. Okay, and now I reinforce this part and I'm going to make a knot and cut my thread. Okay, and in order to finish my bracelet, I'm making here a loop, going once, going second time through the same loop I've made, and you could repeat this several more times. And when you make the last knot, go through the following bead, never cut next to a knot, but go through the following bead and then cut your thread, and that's it, your bracelet is ready. Okay guys, so now my daisy chain bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more free videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming projects. And if you want to support me, like and share, and you don't know how much you help me with this. And also, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I will answer to all of you that have any questions. Just to remind you what else you could do with this beautiful stitch, and that I'm showing in my previous videos that I will link here. I'm linking at the eye icon. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.